Hey, welcome back to my channel, itssereneslife. These are all the YesStyle items I bought, and I'm gonna be unboxing them all and giving my honest reviews on them. Because my skin tone is dark relative to Asian standards, I selected the darkest shade for all of the cushion foundations I got. Like its name, the cushion foundation has a very watery consistency. It's also very lightweight in coverage. I've used it a few times since filming this video, and I really like how it sits on my skin comfortably. Next, I got this makeup spatula for my liquid foundations. I always have a hard time spreading out my foundation evenly, so this tool will really come in handy. I highly recommend this product if you have the same problem as me. From my research, this is one of the most popular cushion foundations out there. The product looks so pretty, and it even comes with a spare foundation pack. The cushion is raindrop shaped compared to the Rom&nd one. This foundation has more coverage compared to the previous one, but it's still slightly too light for my skin tone. The last cushion foundation I picked up for this haul is from Unleashia. The foundation container is thicker than I thought. I picked this in particular because of its unique dispensing function. Contrary to what I anticipated, this foundation is actually too dark for my skin tone. At least I could mix it with some lighter ones. I also picked up some tier cushions for my foundations and loose powder. Moving on to lip products, I got this 3CE pink lip tint. It's darker than I anticipated, but I really like its shade. Once you spread it out, it has a really nice blurring effect. This lip tint is slightly lighter than the previous one, and it has a peachy tint to it. It also has a bit of a shiny finish. I got this water gloss to layer on top of my other lip products. I like how it's not too sticky, and it gives my lips some extra shine. This lip cream has become one of my staples. Not only is the packaging beautiful, the color also suits my complexion really well. The matte finish comes off as a bit harsh, but once you blend it out, it looks very subtle. These are all the 4 lip product swatches side by side. I already have a lot of blushes, so I didn't pick up too many, but this product stood out to me in particular. I've only ever used liquid blushes, so I was really looking forward to using this particular kind of blush. I recommend layering depending on how intense of a look you're going for. Next, I picked up another cream blush. A lot of my makeup products run pink, so this coral color really stood out to me. The The consistency for both blushes are smooth and blendable. This versatile product comes with 4 pans. For some reason, the products are way more visible on my fingers compared to my wrist. I've used it multiple times now, and it's always pigmented enough to serve its function. I might have picked up this product because of its packaging, but I really like all the shades in the product too. I literally spent the first minute with this product admiring its packaging. It's so intricate in a good way. All the wrist swatches I did for this video came out really badly, so just focus on my finger. Besides that, all these shades are very versatile and easily blendable. The lighter shades function well as an eyeshadow base, and the darker shades look very pigmented on the eyelid. I just hope that I don't get too good to use syndrome with this palette. The pink version of this palette is usually more popular, but I really wanted something peach. Visually, this product looks very stunning. It's also very helpful that they have the name printed on the back. The middle part acts as a highlighter and a blush. Unfortunately, it's not as pigmented as I would have liked. Even on the finger, it looks quite faint. Compared to Western products, Asian products tend to be significantly less pigmented. That's why I really appreciate products that are in between. Despite that, the highlighter is actually above my expectations. It still doesn't show up really well on my wrist, but it makes my nose bridge pop. However, it still doesn't deter from the fact that this eyeshadow palette was disappointing. Even the darker shades don't show up well. Overall, if you're looking for a practical eyeshadow palette, I wouldn't recommend this one. I've heard many good things about Rom&nd eyeshadow palettes, so I wanted to try one myself. I tend to gravitate towards this palette on a warm day. With some minimal layering, this eyeshadow palette can be quite pigmented. I really couldn't decide between the two, so I got both. They both come with these adorable stickers, but I'm going to be adding it to my sticker collection rather than put it on the eyeshadow palette. I love how it comes with a little brush, and it seems like it's the only one to do so out of all the palettes I've bought. This palette is still on the lighter side when it comes to its pigment, but with some layering, it can turn out really well. After using both palettes, I tend to gravitate towards the orange one more out of personal preference, but honestly, both are great choices. The pigment situation for the previous one applies to this one as well. Having both can give you great cool tone and warm tone looks. I've always used black eyeliner because that's what's usually represented in mainstream media, but a beauty video inspired me to try brown eyeliner for a softer look. It's not too liquidy and it glides well on the skin. When I first started makeup, I would always use an eyebrow pomade, but now I just need a solid eyebrow pencil. I really appreciate how the product is angled. It looks very natural on my eyebrows and not too harsh. I've never used a concealer pencil before this, but I really like how I'm able to use it to target specific spots. The pencil also comes with a sharpener. These two come as a set, and I intend to use them to sharpen my eye look and draw aegyo-sals. One of them is straight while the other one is angled. They're not too soft to give a sharper look. Perhaps due to genetic reasons, my under eyes have always been very dark. Because of this, I got this peach colored concealer to try and color correct it and make it lighter. Even with one layer, it looks quite promising. I got this concealer because my Tarte Shape Tape is running out. Fortunately, I found the right shade for me, and I'm happy with the coverage. But yeah, that's basically all the makeup products I got for this YesStyle haul. Comment down below which one is your favorite product. For other products I got during this haul, I got this big makeup pouch to store all my makeup. The material is quite thick and sturdy, and it's quite sizable. Having two zippers on this pouch is very helpful, although I always grab it from the bottom in fear of breaking the handle. I don't intend to buy any more makeup products after this haul. I want to make sure I'm able to use all of them before I buy any more. Even as I'm editing this now, the makeup pouch still sits on this shelf. Next, I also added this cute corset top to my cart. I love the lacing detail on the back and how the material is very thick. To streamline unboxing items, I bought this cloud-shaped cutter. It also comes with a hole if you want to put it on a keychain. I've been looking for a case for my AirPods for a long time, so when I saw this on YesStyle, I had to get it. I was initially concerned about wireless charging for this case, but it works fine. I also picked up this phone strap to match my pink case. The beads look good quality. Just keep in mind if your phone case doesn't have this, it might not work out for you. Thanks to these accessories, my devices now look very consistent. Just for fun, I also picked up these Rilakuba kits. They might be smaller than I thought, but I'm very excited to create them. The very last thing that I got is this jewelry stand. It comes with 3 doors and you can store many earrings in each. I've been just throwing my earrings in this drawer, so it's definitely time for an upgrade. It also comes with 2 accessory drawers. I decided to store my enamel pins and other small accessory items in here. Thank you for tuning into this video. I hope this haul was helpful for your research or just relaxing in general. See you next time. Bye!